Welcome to Module 5, where we'll be exploring different qualitative communication research paradigms. Qualitative research focuses on understanding human behavior and communication through in-depth analysis and interpretation. Let's jump into some key paradigms within this field. The first paradigm we'll discuss is the social science paradigm. Within this paradigm, researchers employ various methodologies to study communication in social context. Some commonly used approaches include ethnography, focus groups, grounded theory, phenomenology, case studies, discourse analysis, and conversation analysis. Ethnography involves immersing oneself in a particular social group or community to understand their communication practices and cultural dynamics. Focus groups gather a small group of participants to discuss specific topics and provide insight into their experiences. Grounded theory aims to develop theories grounded in the data collected, allowing patterns and concepts to emerge naturally. Phenomenology explores individuals' lived experiences and subjective perceptions of communication phenomena. Case studies examine a single or small number of cases in detail to gain in-depth insights. Discourse analysis analyzes language, communication, and social interactions, while conversation analysis focuses on the structure and organization of conversation. Moving on to the social constructionist paradigm, researchers within this paradigm view communication as a process that constructs social reality. They investigate how meaning and identities are socially constructed. Some notable methodologies within this paradigm include autoethnography, critical ethnography, and digital ethnography. Autoethnography combines personal experiences and cultural analysis to examine how individuals' identities and experiences are shaped within a particular cultural context. Critical ethnography focuses on issues of power, inequality, and social justice, aiming to challenge dominant narratives and systems of oppression. Digital ethnography explores online communities and digital communication practices to understand how technology influences communication. The arts and humanities paradigm approaches qualitative communication research from a creative and expressive perspective. Researchers in this paradigm use artistic and performative methods to study communication phenomena. Some prominent methodologies within this paradigm include performance studies, ethnodrama, and poetic ethnography. Performance studies examines communication as a form of artistic expression, emphasizing embodied practices and cultural performances. Ethnodrama combines ethnography and theater techniques to represent and analyze communication events through live performances or scripts. Poetic ethnography uses poetic and literary devices to convey the emotional and aesthetic dimensions of communication experiences. Lastly, we have the rhetorical paradigm, which focuses on the persuasive and symbolic aspects of communication. Researchers within this paradigm study rhetorical, cultural, criticism, and semiotics to understand how communication shapes meaning and influences social reality. Aristotelian rhetoric examines persuasive communication techniques and strategies. Cultural criticism analyzes communication practices in relation to cultural, social, and political context. Semiotics examines the signs, symbols, and meanings embedded in communication processes. And there you have it, a brief overview of different qualitative communication research paradigms. These paradigms offer unique perspective and methodologies to deepen our understanding of human communication. Remember, each paradigm has its strengths and limitations, so researchers often choose the approach that best aligns with their research questions and goals.